Yes, you. If your energy levels are in the basement, you are a prime candidate for a detox. Let's check out some signs. Sign number 1, constant fatigue. Feeling tired no matter how much you sleep, toxins might be zapping your energy. Sign number 2, frequent headaches. Persistent headaches could mean toxins are messing with your nervous system. So, detox for the rescue. Sign number 3, skin issues. Dealing with breakouts, rashes, or dull skin, so it's time for a detox cleanse. Sign number 4, digestive problems. If you are a victim of bloating, gas, or constipation, then detox can ease your discomfort. Sign number 5, brain fog. Are you struggling to focus? So clear your mind with a detox. Sign number 6, bad breath. If you are facing persistent bad breath, your liver and kidneys are begging for a detox. Sign number 7, unexplained weight gain. Toxins can disrupt your metabolism. So, detox to support your healthy weight management. So, if any of these signs ring a bell, your body might need a reset. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Tada!